Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's special program. I'm your host, and today we're going to share what it's like to be a KD franchisee. First, let's take a look at KD's revenue estimates. Become a KD franchisee and earn up to 4 times the investment cost within 1 year. Franchisees only need $15,000 to join KD, and they can get their money back within 11 months. According to statistics, most franchisees earn $80,000 in the first year, $500,000 in 3 years, which is a 1,000% rate of return. Next, let's take a look at our main product, EcoPlus Lemonades. KD's EcoPlus Lemonades are crafted to exceed your expectations. Unlike typical lemonades, KD EcoPlus Lemonade is scratch-resistant, bendable, environmentally friendly, and has seamless edges. The sales in Taipei, Kaohsiung, Singapore, and Kuala Lumpur are very impressive, with revenue amounting to millions of dollars. And as you can see, the information and all of the graphs is rising. Franchisees not only enjoy comprehensive educational training and product knowledge counseling, but also powerful marketing tools and customer lead support to help you succeed quickly. KD has established 100 distribution channels in overseas markets and generates a cumulative revenue of $2,000 million. Our users include Google, Starbucks, and other international brands that you can see on the screen. After listening to the introduction, if you want to become a KD franchisee, please seize this opportunity to realize your dreams of wealth together.